southwestern Hamilton County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Zionsville, or 15 miles north of Indianapolis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have reported a funnel cloud. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carmel and Westfield around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include fissures. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Boone, and Hamilton. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Boone County, southwestern Hamilton County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Zionsville, or 15 miles north of Indianapolis, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have reported a funnel cloud.